Welcome to our tutorial on how to buy XRP on eTrade. First, you will need to have an account with eTrade. If you do not already have one, visit their website and sign up. Make sure to provide all necessary information and complete any verification steps required by eTrade. Once your account is set up and you have logged in, you will need to fund your account. Go to the funding section and choose your preferred method of deposit, whether it is via bank transfer, wire transfer, or another accepted payment method. Ensure that the funds are available in your account before proceeding to buy XRP. Next, navigate to the trading section of the website. In the search bar, type in XRP or XRP/USD to find the trading pair. Click on the trading pair, and you will see options to buy XRP. Decide how much XRP you want to purchase. You can enter the amount in XRP or the equivalent amount in your local currency. Finally, review the details of your order, including the price and total cost. If everything looks correct, submit the order. After the transaction is complete, you will see XRP in your portfolio. You can monitor your investment and decide when to sell or hold as you see fit. Thank you for watching, and we hope this was helpful for your journey in buying XRP on eTrade.